Hey guys, welcome to my cringe content on YouTube. This is an update video on my previous video of I started learning machine learning. So I have been doing it for quite a while now. It's been 6 to 7 months, I guess. I don't remember the previous date of the video. So I finished the course I was taking on Coursera by Andrew Ng, which was really good. It was a machine learning course. It was really well taught. Some people will say that it is an old course. It uses Octave, which is I think now redundant to use in machine learning community. Again, my opinion, because I have not seen anyone use Octave for quite a while. And I think the course really explains the basic stuff which you need further down the line if you're trying to choose this domain as your main domain. But yeah, the course is pretty good in a gist. Then I started learning deep learning from deeplearning.ai, which is a specialization, again taught by Andrew Ng. And as you would expect, the course is really well taught. Now it is in Python, which is way better than Octave. I mean, oh my god. It involves TensorFlow, which is nice, good addition, because you do write your own neural networks in the course, but further down the line they just so the course is really well taught. The concepts are really well explained, and you really get to know like what to do when your model is being trained and you're getting low accuracy and stuff. So yeah, that's that. But there's one disadvantage which I personally think was you cannot make a model from scratch, because it leaves some things which you are meant to learn later on, which is importing the data, then how to pre-process it. It teaches you the theory wise, but if you want to do it practically, you need to learn and research. And for that, Kaggle is a really good source. I mean, you can get data sets, you can see people's implementations on that data sets, the results, what kinds of methods they use, their technologies. And it's like machine learning as a community which is ever expanding, and all of the people or the data scientists involved are super willing to share their own solutions for a problem they tackle. So yeah, it is much more of an research domain as well. Deep learning and machine learning, both of them. Some of you may wonder what is deep learning. Deep learning is just a more fancier name for machine learning, so that's that. But yeah, it is much bigger than what I thought it would have been. The domain is quite big. It would take a lot of time to learn everything, and I suggest you don't need to be honest. Machine learning has matured in this age specifically because we have a lot of data to work with, and in this kind of period you can even like start training a model and just sit and do nothing. I mean, it works because as you and me are free in this time right now, as you know. So yeah, that is pretty much my journey right now. I have been enjoying it. I made a few models. I started with 30% accuracy. I mean, I was first struggling with even importing the datasets. So it's fine if you don't know anything, and it's not that I'm an expert yet. Will I ever be? I don't know. So yeah, thanks for watching this kind of a documentation video for myself. Make sure to subscribe, comment anything down below. Make sure to stick around this channel because I'm gonna start uploading tutorials again, which are super interesting, I guess. So yeah, stay cool, stay awesome. Bye bye.